kids, this is your subtraction lesson, and today we're just going to talk about how we ungroup. So this is the way you've always been taught. You've probably heard the words borrow and things like that, which is not necessarily true, and I'll get into that in another video. But we do want to talk about subtraction where we have to ungroup, okay? So here's my little riddle I want you to remember to help you kind of figure out if you need to go next door or if you can go ahead and subtract. It says, if there is more on top, no need to stop. So for example, if I look at these two numbers and when we subtract, right now the higher number or the larger number is always going to be on top of the other one. So if I just look at the ones place, I'm going to look at the digit on top, which is a 7. And if the one on top is more, then no need to stop. So is 7 more than 6? Yes, so then I can go ahead and subtract. 7 minus 6 is 1. I'm going to come and look at my 9 and 4 in the tens place. Is the number on top here, 9, more than 4? Yes, so I don't have to stop. I can go ahead and subtract. 9 minus 4 is 5. And then 1 with nothing under it, 1 is more. Number on top is more, so no need to stop. 1. Okay, so 151. Now, the opposite of that would be if there is more on the floor, or on the bottom, go next door, okay? So again, the higher number's on the top, and I'm going to look at each place value individually. So I look at the number on top, it is not more. The digit on the floor, or the bottom, is more, so I need to go next door. So I come next door, which is to tens place. I'm going to cross off. I'm going to subtract 1 10 away, leave with 5 tens, and come and bring 1 10 over here, making 18. Okay, now the number on top is more, so there's no need to stop. 18 minus 9 is 9. Okay, now looking again, each place value, you have to ask yourself this question again. So now I have 5 on top and 9 on the bottom. So now I have more on the floor. So I have to go next door again. So I'm going to go next door to the hundreds place, take that 100, leaving me with no hundreds, add 10 tens. So now I have 15 minus 9. Okay, now I have more on top, so there's no need to stop. Okay, 15 minus 9 is 4. Okay, and I'm all finished. Oh, no. 6. Silly me. Okay, 15 minus 9 is 6. All right, now we're going to do some practice problems. All right, we're going to look just first at this one, 362 minus 144. Okay, look at the number on top. Okay, it's actually different here. The number on the floor is bigger. So when there's more on the floor, I need to go next door. I'm going to go next door, take 1 10 away, leaving me with 5 tens. 6 minus 1 is 5. And add my 1 10 over here, making 12. 12 minus 4 is 8. Okay? Do the same thing. Remember, each place value, you have to ask yourself this question again. Okay? The number on top is more, so there's no need to stop. 5 minus 4 leaves me with 1. Okay, in a new place value, I'll ask it again. The number on top is more, so there's no need to stop. 3 minus 2, or 3 minus 1 is 2. Okay, the other way you could ask yourself this if you don't like the riddle is, for example, in this hundreds place value, you could say, if I have 3 pieces of candy and I'd like to give 1 away to a friend, could I do that? And the answer is yes, you have enough candy to give 1 away. Okay, but if you look back at this where it was 2 minus 4, let's pretend you had 2 pieces of candy and you wanted to give them away to 4 friends. Okay, now you could do this, but you'd have to start chopping up your candy into smaller pieces. So right now, no, 2 pieces of candy, you could not give them away to 4 friends. You don't have enough. Okay, so that's another way to think about it. All right, coming to this example, 219 minus 124. Okay, and ask, 9 is on top, more, so there's no need to stop. Or 9 pieces of candy. Can I give that to 4 friends? Yes, I could. And I would have 5 left over. Okay, so 9 minus 4 is 5. Okay, now in this place value, 1, take away 2. Well, now I have more on the floor, so I have to go next door. Okay, I'm going to take away 1. 2 minus 1 is 100, and bring over 10 tens, or another one. So 11 minus 2 is 9. And then I have the same here. I have 1, take away 1, it's just going to leave me with nothing. I don't need to actually put a 0 there, okay? The number is still 95. All right, and last example here, okay? 6 is on top. 6 is more than 2, so more on top, no need to stop. 6 minus 2 is 4. Okay. All right, 2. 2 on top, 2 is more than 1. More on top, no need to stop. 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay, and you can always check your answer by adding these two together, and you should get the top number. That's a great way to check your subtraction. Okay, as you saw earlier, even I made a mistake. Okay, so we all do it. You can always go back, check these for careless mistakes because we all make them. Okay. So if you added 218 plus 144, you should get 362. So let's just go ahead and use this as an example to check. 8 plus 4 is 12. Okay, I'm going to carry my 10. 4 plus 1 is 5, plus 1 is 6, and 2 plus 1 is 3. So I did check it, okay? So that is correct. All right, and here are your homework problems for tonight. You only have 6. Okay, I want you to use this ungrouping method for subtraction. You may use pieces of candy or our riddle to help you decide whether or not you're going to need to go next door. Some of these you will, most of them you will, but there are some that you will not. So use your riddle or the candy to help you, and good luck.